Matt Baker, 43, revealed he was slightly paranoid about doing BBC Breakfast last week, after he came down with a cough and a cold. But after passing all the COVID checks and tests, it turns out that was all it was, a cold. Greeting his 284K Instagram followers from his tractor, Matt proceeded to show off his glorious rural surroundings as he took a stroll around his family farm in the sunshine. While having a good old catch-up with his fans, he asked them if anyone else had been suffering with a cold, as it seems to be doing the rounds all over the country. Matt revealed had been stuck down with the coughing symptom, which made him a little worried about his appearance on the BBC morning programme. But he reassured his followers that he had passed the testing requirements. "I did all the COVID checks definitely," he said, as he walked down one of the farm tracks. "I was a bit paranoid about that, but turns out it's just this absolutely hacking cough. Pretty grim." Matt appeared on the show to discuss his upcoming book A Year on Our Farm, which follows on from the success on his and his family's more for show Our Farm in the Dales. Speaking to this year's Strictly contestant Dan Walker and his co-host Sally Nugent, Dan admitted he's quite jealous of the farmer. It came after they got onto the subject of Strictly, which Matt featured on in 2010, making it all the way to the final. Dan jokingly told him, "I find you quite annoying really. My wife is fully in love with you because we watch your program and she sees you on Instagram and she goes, 'Why can't you do that?' He fixes stuff, he paints stuff, he's a gymnast. You've got so many talents." He beamed at his guest. After he listed other things Matt has ticked off his list, Sally quipped, "That's going to really annoy Dan. You can look after sheep, you're practical, you can fix things, you can dance as well." Giving the current contestant some advice ahead of the BBC talent show's second live show on Saturday, Matt said, "I tell you what I would do, honestly, and I don't know if you've found this. Practice your dance to different songs and tempo." He then explained the reason behind his advice, adding, "Became when I used to go, it freaked me out when I heard the band playing." Dan thanked him for the tip before they moved on.